and I needed a blonde wig. So it's a blonde straight wig. It's from here we go, Chinalacewig.com. And 6'13", length 16 inches. That's all. I like this box, nice and sturdy, so I can put her back in. Oh, soft. Oh my god. This is it. This is all lace. This is all lace. Oh my god. What? You can see my... This is the best wig I've ever... Oh my god. Just... What? See that my hair has grown like a lot, so it's kind of hard for me to put on just a cap and go. Braid her, so I'm gonna have to braid my hair. I wanted to say I wasn't gonna make it nice, but honestly, I'm kind of like sketched because the wig like the lace is like transparent, but my wig cap is black, and like I don't have another wig cap, so you can see where I went into a problem there, don't you? I'm literally about to cry, like there's a tear in my eye. I just ripped some of my hair out. That's totally fine. Finally finished. I'm so excited. I'm sorry. Like, it's not perfect. It was meant to be perfect. Just letting you know. Like, pretty sure like someone's coming out. Some hair is just coming out the top. Like, I probably didn't even finish the back correctly. Like, pretty sure I like switched the pattern braiding direction of this one. Like, it's here we are. We continue. I'm just excited to put this on my head and show y'all. Like, you really have no idea. Okay, I guess not. This is just foundation from when I last had on my wig. My curly one. Wait, what the hell? Here we are. Here we are. The final meal. Final product. The final moment.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
It's like a hat. You just put it on. Oh, sis. Sis. It ain't even all that. I hate myself. What is this from? Is there partying? What else? Stupid. I need to buy me a hot comb, cause this ain't gonna cut it. Nikki who? I don't think this is 16 inches, honey. Where? Like, you can put it what? Like, what? 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 Nah, this ain't real. Trying to put it behind my ear like they ain't lace. But like, look at that. Granted, I have a whole black cap under, but like, I think I'm gonna do the watercolor method with this. Girl. See, let me see what she looks like. Let me see what she looks like in different colored lights. This is all the way up. Oh no, it's not. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Way better. Okay, so you can part it as far as you want. You could do 2 braids. You could do 2 braids, honey. You could do pigtails. You could do, oh god. Not with the black not with the black cap, you can't. You could do 2 buns, cause you cute like that or whatever. You could do whatever, honey. And she's so soft, like. Cut the lace, baby. Cut the lace. I think I got this cap too small. I should have got a large, cause you know, curly hair problems. I don't even know, like, I don't want to ruin this drawing. I've never cut a wig on my head, bro. I think I'm gonna cut her. Not yet. I can't, like, I can't. And I'm gonna get back to y'all on the process. Cut. Let's go, baby. I almost cut my edges off. Bro, stay. Like, what's good with you? Trying to act up shit for the camera. I have to send some pictures to my friend. That's why I'm doing this right now. But thanks for watching. I know it was a crappy video, but I promise you next video is gonna be good. I'm gonna be coloring her. This is too warm for me. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you like this wig. I'm gonna keep put the link in the description below so you can check it out and or purchase it. Yeah. Have a great day, night, afternoon. Peace out. You mad?